Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in today's video I'll be giving you two highly effective, low-cost PPC strategies that you can start using in your Amazon business today. It's crazy how effective these two strategies are. Like, I've been able to get my ACoS down as low as 2% for these type of ads, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. Like, it's crazy to me how many few sellers are actually using these strategies, and they're so effective and have been so effective for a long time. But most sellers just continue using the old PPC strategies that they've used, which is just simply getting an automatic campaign, getting it up and running, and then pulling the profitable keywords into a manual campaign. And this is okay if you're just starting at Amazon, but if you've been doing it for a good while, then you will want to be using these more advanced strategies to get an extremely low ACoS for your ads. And I'm going to show you now exactly how much opportunity there is with these ads, because so few sellers are actually using them. And if you actually start using them, then you too can get an ACoS on your PPC campaigns as low as 2%, as I have done on my PPC campaigns. Okay, so to give you an example for the first strategy that I'm talking about, I'm going to type in a well-known brand. So I'm just going to type in Nike for this example. Then I'm just going to press enter. As you can see, the first thing that pops up is actually Under Armour, not Nike. That is because Under Armour are paying for what is known as a headline search ad. This is a headline search ad, as you can see here, sponsored by Under Armour. So although the customer has typed in Nike, that they're obviously looking for Nike, Under Armour gets their brand out in front of this customer for an extremely low cost, and much lower than they would if they were to just run a regular Amazon PPC ad. So you're probably now asking, okay, this headline search ad, why is this so powerful? Because you can use it on a lot smaller brands than Nike and not be competing with any other sellers for this spot. As you can see, it's the first thing you see when you land on the page. And although competing with Nike for this would be difficult, Nike aren't bidding on it. Nike aren't even taking up their own brand space. And this goes for 99% of the brands that sell on Amazon. They are not taking up their own brand space. So you can take advantage of this and get your ad shown here where Under Armour's ad is shown. But you can do this for a lot smaller brands than Nike. So for example, I'm going to go to a well-known UK toy brand. So I'm going to type in Jellycat. Press enter. There is no headline search ad for Jellycat. So if you sell soft plush toys like Jellycat, you can have your headline search ad up here for a tiny cost, because you won't be bidding against anyone for this position. Do you see how powerful this strategy is? Because a brand like Jellycat are getting thousands of searches for their brand every month, and your brand can show up in the top spot for an absolute tiny cost. Like on these headline search ads, I'm getting my ACoS down as low as 2%, which is tiny when you think about it. It's only £2 or $2 for every £100 or $100 of sales that you're making. And that's why I will spend as much as possible on these type of ads. And so should you. And there are so many brands like this that there is no one bidding for this position for the headline search ad. And this is what you should do. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to check the next brand, which is Weber, and just show you. This is another brand that will get a lot of searches. If you are from the UK, you will know of the brand Weber. And also they're a big brand in the US, and they simply don't have a headline search ad, and no one else is bidding on their headline search ad either. As you can see, it would be up here if someone was bidding on it. So if you were selling barbecue equipment, then you should definitely go and bid on Weber's headline search ad, because you're going to get it for such a low cost. So that's strategy number one. Now, strategy number two is bidding for the brand name in a manual keyword PPC ad. So as you can see, that's what this brand has done here. They have bidded on the brand name Weber. That's a very smart move, because again, that's an extremely low competitive keyword to be bidding on. Weber are a big brand, and people who have purchased Weber in the past will be coming on just searching for Weber. But then they will see this product here, and this might be the type of product that they're looking for, a cover for their Weber barbecue. They will just click on this and purchase it. if it's the product that they're looking for. And again, I'll just go back to Jellycat, and as we can see here, no one is even bidding on the keyword here for Jellycat, or at least they're not bidding enough to get into the top positions. So this space is wide open, and again, you can do this with any products. So find your competition and use their brand name in your keywords for your manual search campaign, and then you should run it as either a phrase match or an exact match. If you run it as a phrase match, you will get more searches because anything with that brand name in it will come up. So for example, if someone types in Jellycat Bunny, your ad will come up, or if they type in Jellycat Elephant, your ad will also come up because it will have this keyword in it. But if you do it as an exact match, then it will only come up if the customer types in the exact word Jellycat. So now you're probably wondering if you're allowed to do that or if it's breaking Amazon's terms of service in any way. So what you're not allowed to do is to use your competitor's brand name in your back end, but you are allowed to use them in the keywords of your ads that you're running on Amazon. And the ads that I have mentioned in this video are extremely simple to set up. You can have them up and running within 5 minutes, and this will allow you to take sales directly from your main competitors, which can be much bigger brands than your brand. So I wanted you to see the opportunity in this video, the opportunity that is there for all of us. You know, if you're a brand that's relatively unknown, you should be using these hacks to get ahead of the bigger brands, the more known brands, because they're simply not focusing all of their attention on Amazon. But if you as a smaller brand focus your attention on these smaller details, then you can overtake these bigger brands. You know, I'm lucky I get to speak with a lot of sellers from doing these videos and my blog and stuff like that. I get speaking with a lot of sellers, and I was recently speaking with a seller here in London who is paying a company to run his Amazon PPC for him. So I was asking him what type of results he's getting. He's been with them for the last 5 weeks, and he's running around £200 worth of ads every week, and then he's paying them £100 a week for managing his ads. And when chatting to him, I was just asking him about the results he's getting, what kind of ACoS he's getting on ads. And he said, you know, some of the keywords that they're bidding on, the ACoS is as much as 90% on their ads. And I was asking him, why are you still going with these keywords if you've been running them for 5 weeks and your ACoS is still at 90%? I said, why are you like continuously losing money on these ads? And he said, because he just wants to get ranked for the keywords that he's bidding on. So for example, you know, just giving you on the examples I've gave you already, the keywords he's going for are keywords like plush toy or soft bunny or soft elephant, or, you know, something specific like that. These are the keywords he's bidding on. Whereas if he bidded more on the brand names, he wouldn't get as many searches as the main keywords, but he would get a lot more sales and get a lot more value for the money he's spending on ads. So I get it. When you're first starting off, you should run automatic campaigns and see what keywords are profitable out of that. And again, if you don't know how to do that, I have a video that I will link up in the description. The video's here on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description and you can jump down and check out that video, which shows you exactly how to set up your first campaigns, setting up an automatic campaign and then pulling your keywords from your automatic campaign into a manual campaign. But after you have done this and after you have ran these ads for a while, then you should pull out what ads aren't performing, the keywords that aren't performing. And that's why it's good to split them up into different campaigns. And you know, I get it. I get the thinking behind it. Just keep running the ads just to get ranked for your keyword. But just to get the sales is as important. So if you're currently not getting sales or not getting as many sales as you should be from PPC, then definitely start using this, because it's the most underutilized type of ads that there is on Amazon at this time. And if you are a new seller selling on Amazon, then what you should really do is get used to it. Get used to all the different parts of it, because Amazon is such a big marketplace and it's going to be around for years. So it's so valuable to actually learn it. Whereas if you just outsource it to a company, you're going to pay them to do it for you, but you're not going to learn the lessons, learn actually how to do it. And you yourself can easily pick this up and do it a lot better than, you know, any PPC expert can do it after a short while doing it. The only reason that you should be using is like an Amazon PPC person is if you're running thousands of ads and you simply don't have the time to do all of the testing yourself. But if you are a small newcomer just getting started on Amazon, then you should definitely at least try and work it out for yourself. And as I said, I have a video that goes through how you can get started with it with the automatic and manual campaigns, and I will link that up. And then after you have ran this, you should start introducing these type of ads that I've showed you here, using headline search ads with the brand that you want to target. So as I showed you there, Weber and Jellycat. But again, you can go after any brand. As you've seen, Under Armour are doing it on Amazon under Nike's name, so they are targeting Nike with their headline search ads, and you can do the same with any of your competitive brands. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this quick hack, or these two different strategies that you can start using today and get set up really quickly and start actually making a profit from your Amazon PPC ads and not running at a loss like this other seller that I was speaking to here in London during the week. Just for your information, if you were thinking of purchasing the unique private label course, this course is currently closing on Sunday. I think it's the 27th of May, so I'm going to close it on the 27th of May so that I can work with the people that are actually inside the course at the moment. As well as this, I am currently working on the advanced private label course. So if you're already up and selling, but you want to learn the strategies to improve your sales, improve your profits, then you can click on the advanced private label course down below and enter your email address for this, and I will notify you when I open the doors to this course again. But as for now, if you have any questions in regards to this video or any of my other videos here on YouTube, then please leave them down below in the comments. And if you haven't already subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button now so that you see more videos like this in the future. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.